Hello guys, welcome to the new YouTube video. And in this video, we are going to learn how you can spot the liquidity and how you can become more profitable just spotting the liquidity. So let's imagine, guys, market is going up, right? And market is just moving like this, okay? And what retail traders do is like they think that market just has made double bottoms, right? Just like this market just has made double bottoms, and they place their stop losses just below this zone, like this, just place this zone, and they buy from here. Just imagine like this, they place their stop losses like this and think like market will go up. And what market do is market just collect all the stop losses and went up, right? Market just collect all the stop losses and went up. We don't have to buy from this zone, okay? This zone, we do not have to buy. Let me clear, guys, so it will be more clear to you. Oh yes, so we do not have to buy from this zone, okay? And if you do, you can get caught. This is the correct zone, right? This is the correct zone, this is not the correct zone. And right, and in the second case, what happened is market just breaking the structure and moving like this, right? And again, what happened is retail traders do, we just have to think like retail traders, like how they think. Like what they do is they buy from this zone. They think that market just has made the triple bottoms, right? Just don't remember the thing, what they call it, but yeah. So they just think like market just has made double bottoms, and they buy from this zone and place their stop loss just below this zone. And what happen is market what does it? Market just collect the stop losses and went up, right? Because in order to go up or down, market just need a fuel. And how market get fuel? Just by collecting stop losses. And how market collects stop losses? Just when retail traders trade like this, okay? And we don't have to trade like retail traders, we have to think like retail traders, okay? So this is the bullish zone. And now let's talk about the bearish market, right? What if market is moving in a bearish direction? Sorry guys, I'm not into these things, so it's just taking a lot more time to clear. Okay, so let's think market is breaking structure to the downside. And now what happen is market just has made the triple tops, and they place their stop losses just below, just like this, and trade like this. And what market does is market just collect the stop market. Sometimes market move down, give some little hope, and then market collect all the stop losses and went down like this, okay? So this is the thing. And but in the second case, what happen is market moving downside, and market just made triple tops, and again they buy from this zone, they buy from this zone, right? They buy from this zone, and their stop loss hit like this, and then market move down, right? Sometimes what happen is market move from this zone only, but you don't have to trade from this zone. If you think like market just went down from this zone and in the next time market will also went down, but no, there are highly chances that your stop loss can hit. So you don't have to buy from this zone. Okay, so this is a zone, this is extreme zone where from you can buy. In the next chapters I will let you know about the entry types, how you can entry. Like sometimes what happen is your order blocks is here, your order block is here there, and what market just move like this and do not touch your order blocks and move like this. So this is the entry type, I will let you know in the next chapter. So please subscribe, do subscribe and like this video, and please share it to your friends. And if you need any help, you can contact me in the telegram channel, and I will let you help over there. Okay, so these are the things, these are the liquidity you can spot. So so these are the triple bottom. So let's talk about the trend line liquidity. Okay, so what is the trend line liquidity? Let me tell you. So market is moving in a bullish direction, right? Market just broke the structure and move like this. And now again what happen is, retail traders do is they just buying from trend line like this. They buy from here, they buy from here, here and here. And again what happen is, market just touch this trend line, went up and just collect all the stop losses and then go up. Because why? Because market need fuel. Until or unless market do not get a fuel, market will not go up or down. Market will have to collect all the stop losses that retail traders and SMT traders has placed over there. Some what SMC traders does is, they buy from here like this. What they think is, they think like this is the break of structure, but actually this is not the break of structure. Why? Because this is because from up this zone there is no liquidity. Like, and if there is no liquidity, there are highly chances that, there are highly, not highly, I would say 100% chances that you will become the liquidity, right? So you don't have to buy from this zone, you just have to support the liquidity first. And if you support the liquidity, I, there are highly chances that you can become profitable, and your target will go in the direction you have placed, right? So so this is a bullish direction. So if we, so in a bearish market, what happen is, market is going down, right? So sorry guys. So m- market just broke the structure from here, like, right? And what retail traders do is, sorry guys, you might be thinking like this is the same as the triple tops. So let me clear like this, right? So what retail traders do is, they think that they they trade like this, right? they they sell from here, here and here, like. And again what happen is, they just place their stop losses like this, just above from this zone and like this, right? And again what market does is, market just collect all the stop losses and went down. Why? I already told you, there is a order block over here, and market just collect all the stop losses from here, here and here, and just market go up and down, right? So these are the things you have to keep in mind while trading, because if there is no liquidity, mm, market can't go up or down, because market need a fuel, right? So this is how you can spot the liquidity, and you can become profitable. And in the next chapter, the chapters, very powerful videos are coming. So stay tuned guys, and please subscribe the channel. I would highly request everyone to subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.